DigitalOcean is a platform for the deployment, management, scaling, and monitoring of your applications in the cloud. Designed for developers, built for businesses, essentially means you can spin up Droplets, DigitalOcean's fun term for virtual private servers, with predictable pricing that is the same across regions and usage volumes. If you're a lazy developer like myself, the app platform makes deployment and scaling seamless, handles all the nuances behind the scenes so that you can push code to production in just a few clicks, hopefully allowing you to snore at 2 a.m. As your application grows, you usually need to start a concert of apps to serve the increasing demands of your users. With DigitalOcean's Kubernetes, you get a managed Kubernetes solution for orchestrating your containerized symphony and automate scaling. Growth is good, but comes with the need for space in storing the many assets uploaded and generated by the app and your users. DigitalOcean storage options means whether it is content delivery or plugging in extra storage like a hard disk, or even the need for a local SSD solution, you are covered. Also, protecting your applications is crucial in today's DigitalOcean. Therefore, with the load balancers, firewalls, VPC, and floating IPs from DigitalOcean, maintain the right security clearances for your applications. Depending on your use case, you might need to store your data using RDBMS solutions like PostgreSQL, or with an in-memory approach like Redis, or maybe in a NoSQL direction such as with MongoDB, all fully managed for scale, performance, and availability. After everything is up and running, monitor and manage them all with DigitalOcean's monitoring suite, a complete all-in-one solution under a single umbrella. This has been DigitalOcean in 100 seconds. If you want to see more short videos about DigitalOcean, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.